Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well in your lives. Today we are going to discuss a very powerful love spell that is very used love spell in this world, and most of people got their results in couple of hours, and they get their ex desired person and lover back in their life. And this is also a sweet message to your ex, your lover, your partner, your desired person. This spell will attract your lover instant straight away, and that person would cry for you to get him back in your life. So I'm going to tell you the technique, the process, and you have to follow it, and how you can get this back, your ex, in your life. For example, you have to write this thing, that for example your name, you have to write your name, you have to write here from Steve, and then you have to write your age and city or country. To that you are going this message to your lover, to Julie. For this example, don't think that this spell would work if you are both of you and your lover is also from the same country. This spell you can use to anyone, that is if he or she is living far away from you, then also this spell would work for you. Then you have to write I love you so much. That's it, nothing required. After that you have to write from Steve, this is a name, like this is for example, and you have to write age and this and country, and to your female partner or male partner, if you are doing this in your male, you have to write first place your name. If you are female or you are doing this, then you have to write your name, means that you have to write your name on the first place for this love spell. And then you have to keep this marker like this, and then you have to close your eyes. Please pay your full attention here. You have to close your eyes and say that I am Steve. These names are only for example. I am Steve, 28 years old, and I am from USA. I am giving this message to my lover, my crush, my ex, my partner, my wife, that Julie. This name is also for example Julie. I miss you a lot. I love you so much. Please come back in your life. While saying this word, you have to keep your eyes closed. You don't have to open your eyes. You have to say that Julie, I love you a lot, I miss you a lot, please come back. I will forgot all the things that we did it in past. Please come back, and I would get married with you. And you have to say that I need you very much, I miss you badly, I'm welcoming you with the open hands. Come to me and hug me. You have to say these words. Please give your full attention that you have to say these words as it is. I am told you, and I said you have to say these words like this, and you have to do this love spell 3 times a day, since morning, early morning around 5 to 6 a.m. Then you have to do 1 p.m. and then you have to do 8 p.m. These 3 times you have to do this love spell. After that you would see that your lover is getting back in your life, and he or she would come back in your life in just 1 day, and you will notice that person is crying for you, and you will got the positive results. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you soon.